Hi everybody. I truly hope all of you are doing wonderful. I know there's many people who are trying to learn SQL, and it's my recommendation that jump to the difficult question, do all those things, but get your basics very clear, like the execution order at least. Try to understand when select is working, when how from is working, when where is working, when having is working, when order by is working, when limit is working, all these things, right? Try to understand them very correctly, very perfectly while you learn about SQL. And then there's like when you jump to the other question, like just some general question which is often asked. I've given many interviews and every time they ask it. Like question like find the highest paid employee, right? It's find the they will ask you to do self join where you are supposed to like get both uh, get the managers. Maybe they will ask you to have employees who do not have a manager. Maybe they will ask you to have the highest paid manager. Maybe they will tell you to do it department wise where you need to supposed to do window functions, or maybe with self join also you can do those things, all these things, right? This is very vital, the basics. And then when you move toward other technologies, like Python is very important while you're doing data science, analytics and all those things. Now you're moving into data engineering, you need to be aware about big data because we do not play with small data anymore. Now managing big data is very important. All these things are very important. I'll try to stick to SQL. Other than that, to impress the interviewer, you should be aware about recursive, what you call CTE. CTE you must be knowing about, but that's very basic. You need to aware about recursive CTE. You need to aware that it's a simple language. Behind the scene, it's also doing all those for loops and things like that. I think it's an expressive language where you can express your thing very easily. It's a language built to manipulate data, to get data properly, things like that. I hope you understand it. And yeah, SQL is important, but have one primary language, at least Python, to understand that you're getting my point. Have Python at the beginning. Try to understand all the data type of Python. Try to understand class and object, oops concept, all of this, right? All of this is very important. Then jump over pandas and other things, PySpark, pandas. These are very important. Do those things, and I'm sure you will get recruited. Just master SQL and pandas if you are a fresher, and these things will be fine. Thank you so much.